Today we're gonna bring a dartboard cabinet. Look how beautiful this thing. Look at the artwork. I'm just gonna show you some of the detail of the work. This is Route 66 artwork in the background. Beautiful cabinet for a perfect man cave or any other place that you have for entertainment purposes. This is an awesome little thing. Look at that. Two-door open. You guys can see that. We're gonna open it up right now. We're gonna fully open, extend it, and see what you get inside. But I just want you to see the artwork, the hard work that these companies do. Brass doorways, wood cabinet. All right, so wood cabinet, beautiful. You can go to the website. It has a website here, so you can see more different designs that they have. Multiple designs, multiple setups. But we're gonna take a look at this one, see what you get when you get something like this. So let's take a look at this. If you guys can notice, I just plug in the USB and it comes with the actual cable. If you guys can see that, extended cable. So I plugged it into my USB connection, but they actually give you the power where you actually connect the USB type A connection, all right? And for a while I was figuring out what is this for, but this is the actual measuring tape. You could actually extract the measuring tape here as an extractor, and then you could just push the button to actually retract it back in there. They give you two of the dry erasers, and they have magnets, so you can actually set it up on the side. All right, if you guys notice, the board is a professional board style. All right, you guys can see it. You can see the woodwork in there, the work cord and everything. It's a pro, and all the lettering are 3D. If you guys can see, every single one sticks out on the actual board. We're gonna set this up on the actual area, but you have everything you need. The actual dartboards, blue, and then more dartboards, red, and then of course a place to hide them and put them here in place. When you close the cabin doors, it's all in there. Scores, two different scoreboards. They're all magnetic on one side here, and here's the other side here. For professional style, they give you a floor mat, so you can actually just a range area where you can start shooting the actual darts from. Instructions give you a step-by-step on how to set this up and how to mount everything, of course. For mounting in the walls, different types of walls, of course, you're going to do drywall or regular directly to the actual wood itself. You can do that. Of course, here's the actual area where you actually set up the backboard of it. And there's multiple areas you can do. And like I said, tape measure, everything you're going to be needing, it's included in here box, other than the actual tools to set this up. But I like it out of the box, ready to go. Professional looking dartboards and well made, well established. Look at this beautiful artwork that they have. So like I said, they have multiple artworks on their website. You can find it. They have multiple setups that you can find, but this is an ultimate one, of course, included with the LED lights. And like I said, the cable's here. You can run it through the back or in the bottom. It's up to you. You could hide the cable or you could have it away from it. Now we're gonna unwrap this and set it up on the wall and see how well it works. So 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.